Oslo, Norway now. And it's been actually fine. I don't know, it was very difficult finding this apartment. So yeah, that took a while for me. And apparently in Oslo, Norway, there are 3 modes of transportation. So you have like the tram, you have the train, and then you have the buses. And I think you have the ferry as well. So before the trams are called trick. I had to take the trick, but it was very difficult to find it. So that took me a while, and it was so difficult finding this apartment specifically. That took some energy from me. So I'm actually very tired. I have to prepare for a test tomorrow, so I'm just going to do that now and go to bed. I have a fully packed day tomorrow. I'll be going for a tour of the University of Oslo with one of my lecturers from HSC. And then I will go for a walking tour of the city just to know about the history of Norway and some other interesting tourist sites. Yeah, and then I'll have dinner at my lecturer's place, which is exciting. I don't know how all this is coming together, but it's perfect. Like, it's lovely. Good morning, my neighbors. So it's morning, and I want to give you a tour of the place because the sun is shining and it looks so cute. Yeah, let's go. So I'm going to go to the University of Oslo now. So come along with me. Also enjoy my day.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships, till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a 4-way stop on a 1-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be. Just stuck in the in-between.
The tour at the university. I'm on my way to the Opera House to see what's there. It was recommended by my lecturer, so go with me.
Every day I feel so lucky you're mine. I love it when you listen and when you cry. If it's not you, then do I give myself to? I don't pretend I'm blind to the way you make me feel alright. I'm alright. Stars are shining bright when you're in the room. Write 1,000 songs just about you. When we walk down the street, or you say what you need, your presence is smooth like silk. I love watching you achieve your should know.
I am at the Opera House, and at the Opera House you can get a really great view of the city and some of the islands around. So if you want to get some really nice pictures of the Oslo skyline, then you come to the Opera House. I don't think we are allowed to enter. Maybe, I don't know if the Opera House is just for like opera or something, but I don't see anyone entering. But maybe I'll just try and see if there's an opening. But yeah, you can get really nice pictures here and a nice view of the skyline and the mountains as well. It's beautiful, actually.
You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. Yeah, we cooling in the back with the drinks, making us a little bit tipsy, baby. Yeah, I just know. Baby, I just know. And I know that you had me on your mind with the look on your face, turn a little bit frisky. Baby, I just know. I just know. I set myself on fire just to keep you warm. But then my heart grows so tired. What have we become? 'Cause I've been waiting forever, trying to mend us together. But time to show me no better. You're just another disaster. I set myself on fire just to keep you warm. But then my heart grows so tired. But what have we become? What have we become? What have we become? What have we become?
So while I was exploring the Opera House, I saw this really cute library right by the Opera House, and I wanted to explore it, but I didn't have a lot of time. So after the walking tour, I went to explore this library called the Deichman Library, and it was so cool. One of the things I fell in love with whilst traveling in the Scandinavian region is the effort and the dedication like they put into their libraries. It's so cool. It makes it an amazing place to be because they have a lot of things to do. It's not just about books, but you can just sit there, work, and chill with your friends. You can play games, you can listen to music, borrow movies, and a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. So it's a really cool space, and I would love to see spaces like this in Africa as well. Hi guys, so I am here at Vigeland Park. So it's basically a park with sculptures of naked people. And basically in Norway they have this culture where they are not, basically this park symbolizes the fact that they are not afraid to show their sexual side, or I don't know how to say it, like they are not scared of their sexuality basically. So I think that's what this park symbolizes. So yeah, I'm here to explore this park. 18+ only.
feeling, dancing and laughing, but I'm cold as an ice cream. It sounds like a silent night, according to the season. I got a million reasons to smile. Apparently I'm chilling, but actually I'm petrified. It was supposed to be a special ride, but I feel like I'm all alone tonight. Something's wrong and I can figure out what is it. What's the missing thing? The void remains unknown and all is back to be nothing. What's the missing thing? I'll be heading off now before it starts to overcase. Questions are coming, I don't wanna have to explain. I'll give myself a chance to send it off and all the girls. It was supposed to be a special ride, but I feel like I'm all alone tonight.
So also in Norway, they have something called sex before coffee. So they are not afraid of their sexuality. Basically, let me just leave it as that. That's all. Hi guys. So this is my last day in Oslo, and I've had a good time. So last night I went to my lecturer's place, and he invited me over for dinner. And I had a wonderful time with his family, and his wife cooked so much food. Like, I don't think I really eat that much, but I try to eat as much as possible because it was so good. And his wife even packed some of the jollof rice and plantain chips for me. Can you believe it? Like, it was so good. Yes. So I go home very excited. So I slept, and today I'm just preparing to go to the airport. Once again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Right, subscribe. So, au revoir Norway, au revoir Oslo.